How to download and install Messenger app on mobile. So if you want to download and install Messenger application, first you have to open up your Play Store, and then on the search bar search for Messenger. And before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And after searching, you will have Messenger here. So if you want to install, you can simply tap on install, which you will find the option instead of the open option. But for now I have already installed this application, so I don't have that install option. Instead of this open option, you will find install. You can simply tap on install and you can install that application. And after downloading or installing that application, you can tap on open and you can use your Messenger application. So that's it guys, that's how you download and install. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.